I'm in the new apartment, so yeah. I just got here. I called Gisela and yes.
Nobody knows me like you do. You just read my mind. Nobody gets me except for you. Like we're intertwined. Seasons come and go. Universe will change, but I'll feel the same. Thought that you should know. Even if my eyes are closed, I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. Nobody sees me like you do. You just make me smile, and I wanna hold you all the time. 'Cause all I do is love you. I can't get enough of you. Swear that I will follow anywhere you go. 'Cause I can't be without you. Baby, I will fight for you. Even if my eyes are closed, I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Hi. So I'm currently going for an event. I'm about to get gas and I'll quickly meet Gisela at the event. But guys, we are moving. We finally got a place. We are moving, but that's going to be another conversation on its own probably tomorrow, because tonight we're going out to party. So yeah, that is what we're doing basically. Let me get gas and I think we're good. Woo, we're good to go. Let me put on my seatbelt because I'm about to speed it. I charged 2 of my batteries, but I don't think they were not fully charged. They were not fully charged, but I picked my other phone just in case. The good news is we got a place. Yay! I'm so happy, you guys. You have no idea. Like, it's been months of me trying to move out of my old place. No, it's been months of me trying to move out of my current place. And I got it. When the time is right, He the Lord what? So yeah, we'll talk about it more, I think, later or tomorrow when I am back, because it's late. It's 9:29 and we're going to party, so we're not going to put ourselves through that stress. Okay, so let's activate the party mode and I'll see you guys when I get to the event. Alrighty.
I'm coming. I'll be there soon. Wait for me.
Alright,
I'll be there
sure.
tonight.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Okay guys, I just got here. I called Gisela and she's almost here. That's what she said. Yeah, Gisela is almost here, so I'll just wait, just be in the car and wait for her to get here. And yeah.
Are you ready? Let's have them. Hyper!
Please, you can pass, don't worry. They'll come. Okay. We are done, right?
Yeah. Perfect. You said I can't, you can have that.
Yeah, I'm about to leave the house. I'm meeting Ellen and together with Gisela we're going out. Like, we are going to meet the cast of All of Us. I don't know if you know about it, but that is where we are going. So
Uncle Ellen. Ah.
Me, sorry, why? I'm in my day.
No, be.
Karen is a rich girl, so she doesn't play. Okay.
I am in everybody's bag.
Yes. And then there's tissue because
The girl got a wipe on
she
it.
gotta wipe all the skin. And then there's this because she has a candle certificate, so she has to get her pictures immediately.
I know where it is.
Then, therefore, she doesn't use phone case, but she's a rich girl. If it breaks, she buys immediately. No phone case.
Baby, only be. Every.
You see, I told you, she's a rich girl. Like sometimes
Yes. Touch part.
oh, hand sanitizer. You see,
The girl got money.
no gems. Man likes the haters. It smells good too.
Hi, Karen vlog, everyone. Hi, Karen vlog. So, guys, we're about to try forget the name. But it's this is. If Karen ever mutes this audio, it means that Karen hates me. She has to leave everything that we said in this video.
hi guys, so I don't know if you can see, I'm in a new apartment. So yeah, if you can see behind me, that's the new apartment. I don't know, I doubt I might do like an official empty apartment tour, but yeah, this is where we starting. So we just filming as we go. So that is it. I'm currently here. I'm going with Florence and my sister to go and check a couple of things. I don't know if I might repaint or not, but I know I'm going to bring in here cleaners to just clean the place, make it cute, make it nice, and yeah. So I'll see you guys.
Everything out, feel it on you, everything out, feel it on you, everything out, feel it on you, everything out, feel it on you.
Guys, so we are inside Orca now. We're trying to find other options. So I think so far I saw at Kitia is sold out. Like the ones I would like prefer, they're sold out. So we came to Orca to see if we would get options. So yeah, see you.